Welcome to Drill Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. Hey, welcome to Drill Tip Tuesday. I hope you've been having a great first week of the year, and also I hope you've made some art. Even just a quick little sketch counts, and it will contribute to your creative habit. Because even the smallest sketch is better than the drawing that you didn't make at all. Maybe you're all pumped and you've dived into the challenge of a drawing every day for this year, and so far you're doing great. And I sure hope and I know you can keep going, and you will keep going. And to remind yourself about your resolution to spend time making art this year, write yourself a manifesto. Do it on a page somewhere in the middle of your sketchbook, because this manifesto can be a letter to your future self to motivate and encourage you when you reach the page in a few weeks' time or even a few months' time as you are filling your sketchbook. And if you are still recovering from all the festivities and haven't gotten back into a creative habit just yet, pick any page in your sketchbook and write your manifesto. Remind yourself that drawing, painting, making art makes you happy, and that you want to feel happy every day. And that's why it's worth spending time doing what you love. You can write it down and then hand letter it to make it look pretty, or just write it to yourself as a handwritten letter, whatever you feel comfortable with. You can include ideas you have, things you learned from teachers or peers, experiences you had when making art. Include compliments people have about your art, maybe accomplishments you reached. Make it friendly, make it positive, and make it a happy note. Whenever you need it, you can get back to this page and it will inspire you again. You could also take a picture of it, print it, and hang it somewhere so you will often be reminded. Maybe this manifesto is a very personal message to yourself. Then keep it to yourself. But maybe it can actually help others if you share it. So if you want, please share it on any social media channel using the hashtag DTTInAction so we can see what you made and we can get inspired by you. Next week I will be back with another draw tip, and if you don't want to miss out, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you next week. Bye.